So first we have seen intersecting line. AB and CD are intersecting line because they cut or meet each other at one common point, that is O. Then we have seen parallel line. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. AB and CD are two lines. AB and CD are two lines. No. If AB and CD do not intersect each other, I have told you they are the line. Line can be extended from arrow end. If you extend the line from arrow end, if the two lines do not meet each other or cut each other, then they are parallel lines. Now this third point we have to write. Write on this third point, that is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Write on this third. Perpendicular lines. AB and CD are two 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 lines. Draw one vertical line, draw one horizontal line. AB and CD are two lines. AB and CD are two lines. If AB and CD, third one. If AB and CD intersect each other at one common point O, and at O 90-degree angle is formed. So whenever two lines are perpendicular means 90-degree angle. If between at O 90-degree angle is formed, at point of intersection 90-degree angle is formed, the lines are perpendicular lines. Okay? At point of intersection O 90-degree angle is formed. 90-degree angle is formed. Then lines are perpendicular lines. So two lines are perpendicular lines if they intersect each other at common point O, and at O 90-degree angle is formed. Then they are perpendicular lines. Okay, so two lines are perpendicular if they are intersecting lines, and at point of intersection 90-degree angle is formed. So perpendicular lines are intersecting lines. Yes or no? Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines. Now fourth is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector lines. Let us take one example. There are two lines AB and CD. Mute the microphone. AB and CD are two lines. Both the lines are intersecting. Write on this. Both the lines are intersecting lines. So C and D. Okay. Now AB and CD perpendicular bisector. So first of all it is perpendicular. So at point of intersection O 90-degree angle is formed. It is clear, my dear. At point of intersection O 90-degree. At point of intersection 90-degree angle is formed. So it is perpendicular line. Then perpendicular bisector means AB divides CD. AB divides CD into two parts. OA, OC is one part. And OD is another part. OC and OD both are equal. OC and OD, so we write this symbol. OC and OD both are equal. Okay. Is it clear? At point of intersection O, at point of intersection O, 90-degree angle is formed. 90-degree angle is formed. 90-degree angle is formed, and both the sides OC and OD are equal, and OC is equal to OD. Means AB bisects CD. AB bisect CD. AB bisect CD. At point of intersection, 90-degree angle is formed, and AB bisects CD. AB bisects CD means CD is divided into two parts, OC and OD, equal parts. So perpendicular line, only 90-degree angle is formed. It is not bisecting CD. O is the middle point, midpoint. Okay. O is the middle point or midpoint. Okay. So perpendicular bisector means it is perpendicular and it bisects the line. Bisect the line means it divides the line CD into two equal parts. Whereas only perpendicular, only 90-degree angle is formed. So perpendicular line and perpendicular bisector line, both are intersecting lines. Both are intersecting lines. Then fifth one is concurrent lines. Fifth one is concurrent lines. Fifth one is last, concurrent lines. So write down three or more lines are concurrent lines. Three or more lines are concurrent lines if they intersect each other at one common point. If they intersect each other, if they intersect or meet or cut each other at one common point. If they cut or meet each other at one common point. So see here, when there are two lines, we say they are intersecting lines. But whenever it is more than two lines, we say they are concurrent lines. Is it clear? Whenever it is two lines, we say they are intersecting lines. But whenever it is more than two, three or more than three, then we say they are concurrent lines. So we can draw the concurrent lines. AB, line AB, then line CD, line AB, line CD. You can take line EF, EF. You can take line GH, GH. All are concurrent lines because they intersect each other at one common point. And this common point O is called point of concurrence. O is called point of concurrence. No, you have to write, my dear. All the lines, they cut each other at O. So O is known as point of concurrence. Whereas if two lines are there, then they are intersecting line, and O is known as point of intersection. For intersecting line, it is point of intersection. For concurrent line, it is point of concurrence. And concurrence we use whenever there are more than three lines. If there are two lines, we say that they are intersecting lines, and O is point of intersection. If there are three or more than three lines, down I have written point of concurrence. Point of concurrence. CONCURRENC. Point of concurrence is concurrent lines. 3 or more lines are concurrent lines. हाँ हाँ concurrent lines. Downward I have written point of where my dear, it is continuation. Near the diagram it is continuation. CONCURRENCE. There was no space, so I have written C below. Arrow is, then line is there. Okay, so intersecting line means 2 lines, and for concurrent line we should have 3 or more than 3 lines. If 2 lines are intersecting, O is point of intersection. If 3 or more lines intersect at one common point, they are concurrent lines. For concurrent lines, O will be point of concurrence. Let us see the problem based on this. Parallel line, intersecting line, perpendicular bisector. Let us start the exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Okay, first, state whether the lines are, following pairs of lines are parallel, intersecting. Okay, chalo, A. First one. A. You are given a line. Okay. You are given a line, this line. You are given this line. Then you are given this another line. You are given another line. Whether these 2 lines are parallel or intersecting or perpendicular, tell me. Yes, tell me. If it is line, intersecting, because if it is a line, you can extend the end. You can extend, and when you will extend this side, they are intersecting. No, they are intersecting each other. Yes, so line can be extended from arrow end. So this is intersecting line. This is intersecting line. This is intersecting lines. Clear? Arrow side you have to extend. When you extend the arrow side, both the lines cut each other. So if both the lines cut each other, they are intersecting lines. Yes. Let me explain you in this question only. Let me explain. I will explain. A is intersecting. So by seeing the diagram, don't see they are parallel. By seeing the diagram, don't say. You extend the line. When you extend the line, they are intersecting. They are cutting each other. Second is B. This line and this line. Yes, clearly you can see what type of line they are. Yes, intersecting line. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Very good. Then C. What type of line? Tell me. Yes. What type of? Perpendicular line. Because here, this line is vertical line and horizontal line. They will make each other at 90-degree angle is formed. So whenever 90, but it is not dividing. This part is not same as this part. So only it is perpendicular lines. They at O, so it is only perpendicular line. It is only perpendicular lines. Okay, because 90-degree angle is only formed, and this much part is not same as this much part. So it is not bisector. It is not a bisector. It is only perpendicular. Okay, it is only a perpendicular. Let us see D part. Let us see D part. So you are given a line. then you are given a line segment, you are given a line segment. Now you tell me. No, not only perpendicular line. See, this will be 90 degree. Yes, those who were asking me perpendicular bisector, see this question. They will cut each other and 90 degree angle will be formed at intersection. Then second thing, this part is same as this part. So this part is same as this part. This much length is same as this much length is same as this much length. So it is bisector. This symbol means equal part. I have written symbol this way. This means equal. Okay, they are equal. So yes, is it clear? Perpendicular bisector. 90 degree is formed and it is bisecting this segment. This part is same as this part. So perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Very good. Then next is D, E. You are given two line. Let it be two line. You are given two line. Yes, whether they are intersecting or parallel. Parallel, because see where arrow you extend. Where you extend the arrow, whether they are cutting each other. Tell me. No, they are not cutting each other, my dear. When you extend the arrow of both the line, they are never cut. They never cut each other. So these are parallel. They never cut each other. So they are parallel lines. They never meet or cut each other. So they are parallel lines. Is it clear? They never cut each other. So they are parallel lines. Is it clear this part? So whenever you want to decide whether it is intersecting line or parallel line, okay, so they are parallel lines. You extend the arrow and conclude. Do not see the diagram and tell the answer. Then second, write the condition for which two lines will have. Second one, write the conditions. Write the conditions for which two straight line will have. For which two straight lines will have. For which two straight lines will have. For which two straight lines will have. First A, one point in common. What is the condition? One point in common. So when there is one point common, then intersecting. One point is common, so two lines, they will have one common point. Two lines, they will have one common point O, if they are intersecting lines. So condition is intersecting lines. Condition is the two lines are intersecting lines. Then only they will have one common point. Then B, no point in common. Yes, no point, parallel lines, no point in common. No point in common. So the two lines will have no point common whenever they are parallel lines. Whenever they are parallel lines, yes, they will never cut each other. Common means this is the common point. Common means one. So when you extend the arrow, they never cut each other. So no point. So if two lines never cut each other, there will be no point in common. So condition is parallel lines. Condition is two lines are parallel lines. So two lines are parallel lines, then only there will be no point in common. If two lines are parallel lines, then only there will be no point in common. Yes, my dear, is it clear? Yes? Okay. Very good. If it is clear, then it is very good. So geometry is interesting part. Whenever we deal with line, intersecting line, parallel line, but because yes, there is a visualization. And in our day-to-day life, we are coming across parallel line, perpendicular line, intersecting line, point of concurrence. Chalo. Identify the pair of parallel lines in the given figure. Identify the pair of parallel lines. Identify the pair of parallel lines. Pair means two. Pair of parallel lines in the given figure. First it is how many sides it has? 6 sides. So it is hexagon. Okay, chalo, draw the hexagon. Yes, draw the diagram, my dear. Without drawing the diagram, you cannot deal with geometry. So geometry, when you are solving geometry, always draw the hexagon. Make the diagram. A, B, C, D, E, F. We want to draw the parallel line. Okay. So how will draw the parallel line? See, you extend each side. Let me extend this 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 side with dotted line. Extended. Let me extend this side. Let me extend this side. Wait no, my dear. Let me extend this side. Wait no. Do not tell me. Let me extend this side. So draw the dotted line. Now you can find a pair of parallel lines from this dotted line. Which two lines do not intersect? That you have to write. Pair. Yes. So you draw the dotted line at each side and tell me which. Yes. Arey, my dear. Okay. So let us write the answer of this. You have to write down the pair. See here. You can see AB and ED. Yes. AB and ED. One pair. One pair will be AB and ED. My dear, somebody has not mute the microphone. What I can do? AB and ED. Now AF and CD. Where AB and ED are intersecting, AB is going this way, CD is going this way. How they will intersect? Tell me. Then AF and CD parallelly though with now FE and BC. You can also extend this side. FE and BC. Screen is clear. FE and BC. FE and BC. So these are pair of parallel lines. Now B. Okay. B. B. 1 minute. B. Chalo. It is given A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F. Chalo, draw the dotted line and then only you conclude. Draw the dotted line. Draw the dotted line. Draw the dotted line and conclude. Draw the dotted line and conclude. Okay? Draw the dotted line and conclude. This will go like this. This will go like this. Now you tell me the pair of parallel lines. Huh? Hmm? Hmm. Arey, my dear, you have to write down the pair. Huh. So first see, if you see the first line if you see AB, CD and EF, yes or no? AB, CD and EF, all are parallel lines. Yes or no? AB, CD and EF. So we write first AB, CD and EF. And how we denote, mute the microphone, my dear. How we denote parallel line? We write AB, then for parallel line we write two vertical lines. CD, then two vertical lines, EF. So this two vertical line denotes parallel line. This two vertical line denotes parallel lines. This two vertical line denote parallel. So all three are parallel. Then there is one more. Yes, there is one more. What is that? See this. See this. See this. BC and D. BC and D. BC and D. They are also parallel. BC and D. BC is parallel to D. BC is parallel to D. Two vertical line means parallel. Two vertical line means parallel. Two vertical line means parallel. Okay. Then next one. Board is clear, my dear. From my side I can see. It is showing absolutely clear. Now C part. C part. You are given a star. You are given a star. You are given a star. Okay. So what are the P, Q, R, S, T? P, Q. P, Q. My dear, why are you reminding me the time? Huh? Why are you reminding me? P, Q, R, S, T, V. Huh? Forget about surprise test. Let us continue with this. No, this is also useful. Chalo. So whichever arrow is end is there, that you extend. 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 Okay? Now tell me the parallel lines. Chalo, tell me the pair of parallel. Huh? VQ and TS first. Yes, VQ and TS. Very good. 1 minute. First it is VQ. VQ is parallel to TS. Yes. VQ is parallel to TS. Then then second VR BR is parallel to, yes, VR is parallel to PS. VR is parallel to PS. Second, now third, what is that? Yes, PT is parallel to QR. PT is parallel to QR. PT is parallel to QR. Is there any other? Yes, is there any other line which is parallel? No. Now D. Camera is clear. Camera is clear. Now we are given a triangle. We are given one triangle. Inside triangle we have another triangle. Inside triangle we have another triangle. Inside triangle we have another triangle. You can name A, B, C, P, Q, R. A, B, C, P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Okay, extend the line. Extend that. Extend this. Extend this. Extend this. Extend this. Extend this. This is C. Extend this. Extend this. Extend this. Without extending, do not tell the answer. Extend this. Extend this. Chalo, tell me the pair of parallel lines. Step by step. Step by step. Tell me the pair of parallel lines. चलो ठीक है. Let us see. Tell me the pair of parallel lines step by step. Tell me the pair of parallel lines. 1 minute. First see here. First you can say PQ. PQ is parallel to BC. Yes or no? PQ is parallel to BC. Second, 1 minute. PQ is parallel to BC. We have covered. Now PR is parallel to AC. PR is parallel to AC. Now consider third side of that. PQ, PR. Now QR is parallel to AB. QR is parallel to AB. Is there any other? Yes. Is there any other line? AB is parallel to? How AB is parallel to AC, my dear? This is my AB and this is my AC. They are intersecting. How they are parallel? No, how they are parallel? They are not parallel because AB is this line, AC is this line, so they are not parallel. We have covered everything, no? QA, see, QA is same as AC, no? QA is same as AC, no? So PR is parallel to AC. Yes. You clear? So these three are the lines, parallel lines. Okay. Very good. So now we stop here. We will continue next period. Bye bye. Bye 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 everybody. Bye everybody. Bye bye bye. You can see all the videos which I am uploading.